1. You have a unique opportunity to acquire the splendid 1967 Pontiac Catalina, currently available for sale at $16,000. This car has covered an impressive 55,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior of this beauty is painted in an attractive blue color, while the interior is not described. According to the seller, the car is fully paid off. The features of this Pontiac Catalina make it truly unique. It comes with the original small block, transmission, and rear end. At some point, the heads were replaced with a low compression version, possibly for fuel efficiency or regular gasoline use. The transmission was rebuilt due to seal leaks, and it has only been driven about 300 miles since the repair. This Catalina has been updated with the installation of front disc brakes, a new master cylinder, and a proportioning valve. The upper and lower ball joints have also been replaced. The Pontiac 400 engine received a new timing chain, front timing cover with 8 bolts, and a high-volume water pump. The balancing shaft was replaced, allowing for the installation of air conditioning. Special attention has been given to comfort, with additional underdash air conditioning installed, providing chilling cold air. The fuel system has also been upgraded using the MSD atomic fuel injection system. The tank has been cleaned, and a new fuel level sensor has been installed. This Pontiac has received a single-stage paint job that makes it magnificent, although, according to the seller, not 100% perfect. The radiator has been reconstructed and equipped with 2 electric fans. The entire process is documented, and the seller has all the necessary paperwork. Don't miss your chance to become the proud owner of this magnificent vintage car with a rich history and numerous enhancements. 2. For sale is the stunning 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix, now available to you for $10,000. This car, currently on the market, boasts a rich history with an impressive total mileage of 60,000 miles and an automatic transmission. The exterior of this Grand Prix is presented in an attractive blue color that harmonizes with the blue interior. Running on gasoline, this car has had 2 previous owners, is fully paid off, and comes with a clean title. The seller emphasizes that the car has no serious damages or issues. With 60,000 miles on the odometer, this Grand Prix is still in excellent condition and drives superbly. The body is free from rust, except for the area under the vinyl roof. This car is equipped with the original factory Oldsmobile 350 engine, along with an automatic transmission. While the paint may be slightly faded, it can regain its luster with proper care. Don't miss the opportunity to become the 3rd proud owner of this Pontiac Grand Prix, combining style, history, and reliability. 3. Introducing the remarkable 1978 Ford Ranchero, currently available for $4,000. This unique vehicle, offered for sale, has a mileage of 87,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior of this Ranchero is presented in a gentle shade of light beige, while the interior pleases the eye with a brown color scheme. The car comes with a clean title and has no serious damages or issues, making it an attractive option for potential buyers. The seller's description emphasizes the reliability of this car. It is powered by a 351 modified engine, ensuring excellent performance. Minimal rust is present, attributed to its origin from the state of Idaho. This Ranchero comes with a rare body, making it an even more unique offering. The ease of starting is highlighted in the listing, and it is noted that the car was previously used for everyday driving. A new steering wheel and a Bluetooth-equipped radio add a modern touch to this vintage automobile. Don't miss the opportunity to own this wonderful 1978 Ford Ranchero, which combines history, reliability, and unique features, all for $4,000. 4. I present to you a unique opportunity to acquire the currently available 1984 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D for just $16,479. This magnificent car has only traveled 4,814 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Painted in a vibrant red color both on the exterior and interior, this Corvette runs on gasoline and is in excellent condition. The seller emphasizes that it is a true time capsule from the 80s with original documents and matching numbers. The 1984 model was special in the series, retaining the powerful L83 engine with a displacement of 350 cubic inches, 5.7 liters, Crossfire V8 with a slight power increase compared to the previous model. Innovations included aluminum brake calipers and a fully aluminum suspension to reduce weight and increase rigidity. A new removable Targa roof without a central reinforcement was introduced, and the front headlights were now single units, last used in 1957. An important change was the introduction of an electronic instrument panel with digital liquid crystal displays for the speedometer and tachometer. This Corvette not only represents an excellent technical condition, but also preserves the originality of the historical period. All maintenance work has been carried out, and the car is ready for a new owner. Thorough inspection and servicing have been performed by an experienced master technician. Don't miss the chance to acquire this exceptional car that has become a true temporal artifact from the golden era of automotive design. 5. You have a unique opportunity to become the owner of the delightful 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe 2-door, currently available for sale at $21,000. This car, listed for sale, features a manual transmission and is presented in an exquisite blue color, both on the exterior and interior. The seller claims the car has a clean title and no significant damages or issues. This Chevrolet has undergone an update with new paint and now operates on 12 volts, providing modern comfort and reliability. The interior seating is in good condition, emphasizing attention to detail. The car is in excellent mechanical condition, confirmed by its outstanding performance. The seller adds that the car comes with a variety of additional spare parts, although a specific list is not provided. Don't miss the chance to become the proud owner of this 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe, combining the elegance of its exterior, the convenience of modern upgrades, and meticulous attention to detail. You can immerse yourself in the automotive experience with this splendid retro car for $21,000. 6. I present to you the opportunity to acquire the stunning 1966 MG Midget, currently available for $15,500. This delightful car, showcased for sale, has recently undergone a comprehensive top-tier restoration, both mechanically and in terms of the body, likely making it one of the finest MGs in Tucson. It has covered approximately 750 miles since the completion of the updates. The car is presented in its original factory green paint and is equipped with a standard 4-speed manual transmission. This MG Midget Mikuei captivates not only with its exterior charm, but also with the highest quality of mechanical and bodywork, making it an ideal choice for collectors and enthusiasts of classic cars. Do not miss the unique opportunity to own this 1966 MG Midget, which is not only a historical artifact, but also an outstanding example of restoration, available for $15,500. 7. I present to you a unique opportunity to acquire the currently available 1979 Ford F-150 regular cab for $37,000. This impressive truck, with only 52,504 miles on it, features a manual transmission and is presented in a vibrant red color with a black interior. This specimen represents the final iteration of the 6th generation of the F-Series trucks and astounds with its condition. The seller emphasizes that the vehicle is an outstanding example with a beautiful color combination and a reliable transmission, ready for use. The truck body has undergone quality restoration with excellent door and body alignment. The bright red color, applied using base coat and clear coat technology, looks stunning and shines brilliantly. The rear is lined with colored protective coating, giving it an elegant appearance. During restoration, both front and rear bumpers were replaced, and new wheel arch trim pieces and trapezoidal overlays for the taillights were installed. The interior of the F-150 is in a classic black color, perfectly complementing the exterior. The truck has received new door and ceiling upholstery, and the seat has been repaired and fitted with new covering. The dashboard is in excellent condition, featuring factory instruments that still operate properly. The truck is equipped with a 4-speed manual floor shift transmission and a 4x4 selector on the floor, making it an excellent driver. Under the hood of this Ford F-150 is a V8 engine with a displacement of 351 cubic inches, equipped with the factory intake and carburetor. This 79 is equipped with power steering and hydraulic brakes with front discs and rear drums. The suspension, body, and frame are in excellent condition, showing no signs of wear. The 351 V8 engine works in tandem with a 4-speed manual transmission, transfer case, and standard front and rear differentials with 3.50 gears. On the road, this truck performs excellently with smooth gear shifts and proper transfer case operation. Do not miss your chance to become the owner of this impressive 1979 Ford F-150 regular cab in excellent condition for just $37,000. 8. I present to you a unique opportunity to acquire the currently available 1966 Ford Thunderbird Lando for $7,800. This delightful car, with 78,000 miles on the odometer, is equipped with an automatic transmission and presented in black, both on the exterior and interior. The seller highlights that the car is fully paid off, and the listing provides a detailed description of the performed enhancements. This Thunderbird Lando has received a new exhaust, front struts for adapting aluminum wheels, rims, carburetor, throttle spacer, and air filter. Additionally, a sequential turn signal module, rear brake line from front to back, and various other details have been installed, including a trunk lid. This car is undoubtedly attractive as a beautiful classic automobile, with black exterior and interior styling, and in terms of the carried-out improvements. The seller notes that it is a sturdy car, but specifies a lack of time. It is important to mention that a replacement of the rear brake cylinder is required. This 1966 Ford Thunderbird Lando is an excellent choice for vintage car enthusiasts. And at $7,800, it provides a unique opportunity to become its happy owner. 9. For sale is the amazing 1973 Chevelle Laguna S3, representing a true icon in the history of American muscle cars. With its distinctive exterior, powerful V8 engine, and unparalleled condition, this classic Chevelle provides collectors and enthusiasts with a unique opportunity to acquire a piece of automotive nostalgia. It is currently listed for sale at $17,900. This specimen is equipped with a 476 cubic inch V8 engine running on 110-octane gasoline. The engine is half filled with hard block liquid, bored to 100 thousandths, with ARP main studs and connecting rod bolts, a GM forged steel crankshaft, Crane 706 roller camshaft, Merlin heads with rectangular ports, Dominator intake, 2-inch headers with 3-inch dumps, and a Demon 1050 carburetor. The engine has a compression ratio of 12.9 to 1 and is internally balanced. The car features a fiberglass hood and rear bumper, as well as a front bumper and nose. Notable features include a Donna 60 rear end with a 4.88 gear ratio, a narrow body, ladder bars, an 8-point roll cage, Turbo 400 transmission with a reversed valve body and transmission brake, and a Hurst shifter. Owning a 1973 Chevelle Laguna S3 is like possessing a part of American automotive heritage, and this particular example, with its recognizable style and potent V8 engine, offers a unique and thrilling driving experience. Whether you're a collector looking to add a rare gem to your collection or an enthusiast who appreciates classic cars, this Chevelle will undoubtedly capture attention and evoke memories of bygone eras. 10. For sale is an amazing 1963 Ford Galaxie, currently listed at $19,900. This stunning car, powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 paired with a C4 automatic transmission, promises to provide you with a unique driving experience. Under the hood of this star is not only a powerful 302 cubic inch V8, but also a new exhaust system with a 4-barrel carburetor and intake manifold, a new radiator, an upgraded master cylinder for the braking system, a new fuel delivery, an electric fuel pump, and a thorough check and update of all electrical components. Additionally, an enhanced front suspension with coilover shocks has been installed. The Galaxie's body looks splendid and robust. The black paint complements the 5-spoke wheels coated in a gray powder finish. The gray leather upholstery in the interior appears to have been recently reupholstered, and the carpeting also seems recently replaced. Ford Motor Company used names for its cars that sparked interest during the space race era. With names like Comet, Meteor, Falcon, and Thunderbird, the name Galaxy was a perfect fit for a full-size car. The Galaxie was produced from 1959 to 1974. The Ford Galaxie was one of the most popular full-size cars of its time, offering various trim levels, body styles, and engine options. Don't miss your chance to become the owner of this historic 1963 Ford Galaxie 500, providing you with an opportunity to experience the atmosphere of the golden era of automotive design, all for $19,900.